On October 18, 2016, DARPA handed over the Space Surveillance Telescope, the most sophisticated instrument of its kind ever developed, to U.S. Air Force Space Command. Called SST for short, this telescope embodies breakthroughs in telescope design, camera technology, and image analysis software with the potential to revolutionize U.S. space situational awareness. With enhancements to SST recently completed, U.S. Air Force Space Command is taking ownership of the telescope and plans to operate it in Australia with the Australian government.
SST is focused on tracking and identifying debris in satellites about 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. Beside the fact that this is very far away, which means most objects are going to be very faint, the mission is made especially difficult because of the huge amount of space that we're talking about. GEO has a volume of tens of thousands of ocean. Before SST, no single telescope could handle both of those challenges, seeing things that were very small, very faint, very far away, simultaneously over an enormously vast area.
The SST was built as a technology demonstrator, and it has sensitivity beyond what we could do before nationally to look for very, very small objects, and there's a great need for this.
That's why the U.S. Department of Defense has made space situational awareness a top priority, and why few areas of DARPA research are as important to the future of the U.S. and global security. In Air Force Space Command and the Royal Australian Air Force, we at DARPA could not ask for a more qualified and enthusiastic partner.
SST is a giant leap forward in space cooperation with the United States and Australia. It not only benefits each of our respective nations, but it benefits anyone that uses space across the globe.
The US-Australian partnership has become a special relationship with few equivalents in the world. Australia is accommodating a C-band space surveillance radar from the Caribbean and this space surveillance telescope from New Mexico, both in Western Australia. I acknowledge DARPA and its partners, MIT Lincoln Labs, and other organisations that are involved in making this great capability great. I was going to say I did ask for additional luggage space in order to start bringing bits of it back with me.
We're actually going to pass to you from DARPA to the Air Force the Space Surveillance Telescope. So, Dr. Walker.
Okay, get this on film.
Oh my gosh! Ceremoniously?
I can't
drop
Does she get to keep this in her office?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, all right, there you go.